Pack vlog number 4 going live. Come on, come on, come on. Welcome on in for part of the pack vlog or some luxury cardboard. Not sure if this is going to be a full video or if it'll just be added to the pack vlog. You can open 2 packs out of this Victini collection. Maybe we'll open the whole thing, who knows. Hope everybody is having a fantastic day. We are surrounded by some beautiful flowers in this little gazebo. Little Victini illustration collection code for you. Beautiful big card. Alright. Still looking for the Reshi. Haven't hit any SIRs out of this set yet. So, let's see what we can do. Dino and Minafu. Hey, we got a Pokeball. Verizon Wireless. Okay, okay. A little Black Bolt. Oh, I saw an EX. We got an Axew, Snivy, Singapore, Boon Pheasant, Excadrill. Alright. Last Black Bolt pack. Come on, give us something. Give us something. Pansage, Panport, Duzine, Gabriel. Oh, give us the Seismiter, that'd be sick. We got an Ends. Another Pokeball. Caracosta. Alright, we got one more left. The last white for that pack. Let's see what we can do. God pack would be so sweet out of this. Or just like anything, please. Volibee, Vanillish, Lampent, Plume Fossil, Stunfish, Liepard, Celigore, Fossil. Oh gosh. Just cooked. 2 Verizons is our hairs. That's crazy. Some deerlings and some Sawsbucks. Hi guys. Hi deerling and Sawsbuck. Hello. Hello. Oh, there's a bunch of them. I don't recommend you hike in sandals. Let's open a couple packs. This bundle is from GameStop, I think. Yeah, it's a GameStop bundle. Let's see. Lit. Little pup. A deerling. Ooh, Ferrothorn. Look at that. It's a beaut. Chandelure. Nice. Gonna need that pack. Protect the Ferrothorn at all costs. Alright. We'll go ahead and open one more pack while we're out here, and then we'll move positions. This is a pretty nice little spot, so I think I see candles in the woods over there. It kind of freaks me out, but who knows? We'll find out what they're for. Alright, can we go back to back? That would be crazy. Frillish, Trubbish, Pharaoh Seed, what up? Oshawott, Archon, Ferrothorn, what up? Garbodor. Oh, we got a Pokeball Frillish, a Soak, Tornadus. Alright, let's go on to the next spot. My hometown was crazy for real. I wish I still lived in this town. We're just like in the middle of the woods and like there's like a big boardwalk. Like why? Unnecessary. The whole area is like cool. Alright, pocket that. What's our trash can? Come on, we gotta keep it clean around here. We got a lampet, a ducklet, we got a Vullaby, a sea waddle, Salk, Simsir, Harley Quinn. They got another Sawaddle. Dino. Cofagaros. Alright, we'll find a new location to open. I opened packs that are kind of recently. Were they cursed? Is that my cursed? Is that what happened? I've been cursed? Alright, Chad, it turns out somebody's proposing in the woods, so no worries, we're not cursed, I don't think. Well, I shouldn't say that, but we're not cursed from that. We're here at GameStop. We're going to go ahead and see if they've got any, as long as we don't get hit by a car, we're going to see if they've got any Black Bolt and White Flare left. It might be a little expensive, but we'll see. Made it out of GameStop, and we got one of each. I'm going to go ahead and let my brother choose which of these he would like, and then we'll open the other one on video. I'm in. We are looking for like a hop, Sason, or pretty much anything. We'll take anything. Verizon Wireless. Butter free. Yeah, we ain't getting no. Oh, a Salamence. Very cool, but we ain't getting no butter. On to the next pack. I'm talking about. This feels so extra to be in the woods for real. Like, why? But here we are in the woods. I think I realized the other bundle I have in my bag is from Pokémon Center, so this will probably be in 2 different videos, probably in the pack vlog, but also in another video. So jealous ain't not bad, not bad at all. It's dark. Probably should get out of here. Look at that sunset. As always, I hope you enjoyed the luxury cardboard and the nature. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace.